Okay, so this is my lovely model, and to start off, always we're going to start with my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade and do the brows on some freshly prepped and primed skin. Now to clean up any mistakes and fleek these brows, I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro concealer and finish off her brows. I also put this on the lid just so it gives an even skin tone to the eyelid when I go to do the eyeshadow. And then later here you'll see me use a lighter concealer color just to give that brow bone an extra pop. Now I'm just going to take a new brush and I'm going to pat the eyelid and blend everything out. And I also want to dab off any excess concealer. Now I'm going to go into my Juvia's Place palette and I'm going to be using the Masquerade Mini. And the first color that I'm going into is Zobo. Now the next color I'm going to be using is this light pink shade from BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Then with the same palette, I'm going to blend out the edges with a nice light yellow color. And you want to use a dense brush to pack it in and then blend them out with the other two colors. And that's what's going to give you that nice blend. Then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a very nice small flat brush to use my concealer to cut the crease, and that's what's going to give you that nice sharp cut creases, taking your time with this. Then I'm going to take the brush that I used with the first shadow and I'm going to blend out the outer edges of the eyeshadow in the crease. Now I'm just going to be taking the color Giza and put that directly into the inner corner. And I only took this like kind of a third of the way into the lid because the next color I'm going to go in with is Calabar, and I'm only going to put that in the center part of the lid and only taking another third of the eyelid. So I have enough room to do this last purple shade, and that is the color Makeda, I believe it's pronounced. And so I'm just going to put that in the end where I blended out the outer corner and then do my wing eyeliner with my Revlon liquid eyeliner. So I'm still working on my skills as a makeup artist, but this was an area that I was really struggling with just because she has an eye shape that I'm not really used to, so I need to practice with that. But I apologize that my head is in the way right here. But I just went ahead and used the NYX Glitter Goals liquid eyeliner, and the name of this glitter eyeliner is called Chamomile. After highlighting the brow bone and everything, I just went ahead and took my NYX Liquid Brights liquid eyeliner, and this is the white one. And I just did this to add a little extra pizzazz because we were already extra. So then I'm going to add on these lashes from Peak Flare, and these are called Diva. My model was feeling herself a little bit just now. And I didn't end up doing foundation for this look because I was really just practicing my skills. So that's the end of this tutorial, but stay tuned for the end slate to get more information.